Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, I'm Vinny the Handyman. Today's video, we're going to be installing this new stove behind me. It didn't come with a gas line, so you have to purchase one at Home Depot and hook it up yourselves. It does have a few flared fittings that you guys got to add to it. So we're going to go over that in today's video. We'll be using this 1/2-inch gas line today to hook it up. Whenever you guys are replacing an appliance, always buy a new kit. I wouldn't go with anything old because you don't know the damage that's been caused to it over the years, you know, when you're moving it to clean it and whatnot. So always install a brand new line if you can. These run about 25 bucks, you know, at your big box stores. So definitely well worth it. And you'll see that there's flared fittings that we're going to be installing. So anyhow, with that said, let's get to the video. Okay, they make different lengths with these kits. I recommend getting the 48-inch in length. This will make your life easier when you're pulling your stove out to clean. So food for thought on that one. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the old fitting. You could leave yours on if you want. This one is a 3/8 fitting, but I will be converting it to a 1/2-inch fitting that's actually a gas backflow preventer. And all this does is it delivers double protection from dangerous gas buildups or the event of a rupture. So you might want to change yours out if you have it. Okay, so now I'm going to put my tape on. This one's rated for gas. Do not use your white tape. This is for water and it can corrode on you. So we're going to go with the gas tape. Okay, and I got my gas thread sealer. I'm gonna put on as well. Okay, you don't want to cover your flared fitting. Alright. Because it'll obstruct the flare fitting. Just make sure it's nice and clean on the inside. Alright, when your stove's hooked up and you want to turn this on, you want to perform a leak test. And this is just soap water, and you just want to pour it over all the joints just to make sure nothing bubbles up and leaks on you. Very important when you're doing a new fitting and a new line. You just never know if it's going to leak on you. So that's what I got there. This is my thread sealer for gas. And my pipe thread tape. Okay, so we left off with putting on this fitting. Okay, so that's completed now. Now we're gonna do our leak test to make sure everything's good to go. So we'll turn that on. So when this is in line, then you know that the valve is open. When that's like this, then that means it's closed. Now, if there was a leak, you'd see some pretty big bubbles coming out, and I don't see any bubbling starting. You can't miss the bubbles coming out. I wish I had a demonstration for that, but I don't. But yeah, everything looks good. And just a good habit, go ahead and test all the old stuff as well, just so that everything is good, because when you start working on gas, sometimes you can loosen something else, causing another part to leak. So just test the whole line, can't hurt. Okay, so we are leak free. We could put the stove back and turn it on. Okay, so we got our gas line hooked up, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. We got our backflow preventer on there. We got our flared fittings on there. We did a leak test. Everything looks great. This stove will be ready to go here. We just got to put on the finishing touches for this stove. But if this video helped you guys out, please subscribe. Thank you again, guys, for tuning into this channel and supporting me. It means a lot. It really does, because I'm just a small guy trying to make it in this big world. So like, subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos on this kitchen remodel, make sure you guys hit that bell notification. You guys will be able to see the rest of this kitchen that we're doing. So currently, we have the cabinets in. The appliances are now in. We have a video on the dishwasher, the stove, the water line, not so much on the cabinets. It was just more of just the install with the flooring. So again, if you guys want to see all the videos that went into this project, it's not complete yet, but if you guys want to see more videos, hit that bell notification and you guys will be notified once you subscribe, okay? All right, guys, take care. Again, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.